So this question starts off by providing us with this function, f of x is equal to 9 times 4 to the x power. It goes on to say the function f is defined by the given equation, right? What we have been provided with, f of x equals 9 times 4 to the x power. If g of x is equal to f of x plus 2, okay, well the plus 2 is inside parentheses, and all that means is that we're shifting to the left 2 units. It's a left 2 unit shift, a horizontal shift to the left 2 units. So g of x looks just like f of x, but shifted left 2 units, to make that very clear. Which of the following equations defines the function g? Okay, well, I could tell you that I don't know exactly how to convert 9 times 4 to the x power into one of these options simply based upon this left 2 unit shift. Maybe you know how to do that, which would be great. But what I do know how to do is I know how to figure out, right, like if x were equal to 0, then that means f of 0 would equal 9 times 4 to the 0. 4 to the 0 power is just 1, which makes this equal to 9. Now, g of 0 should be equal to f of 0 plus 2, which is the same as f of 2. And f of 2 is equal to 9 times 4 squared, which is 9 times 16, which let me just make sure in my calculator of what that is. 16 times 9 is 144. So I know that g of 0 should equal 144. I'm going to use that to be able to figure out my answer here. So let's see. If I replace x with 0 here, I'd have 4 to the 0, which is 1, and that will just turn into 18 times 1. That's not 144, so A is gone. For choice B, that would turn into 1 as well because x was 0, and this would be 144. And there's no other option that has 144 out front like this, right? They have an 18, I have an 81. So I'm very certain that choice B is the correct answer. Again, I can check the rest, but it's pretty obvious. This turns into 1, and that's just going to be 18, so that's not right. This turns into 1, and that's going to be 81, so that's not right. So the only question, or the only answer choice that gives me the 144 that I expect at g of 0 is choice B.